This World Environment Day, we're not just celebrating the planet, we're committing to protect it. At Automation Expo 2025, sustainability isn't a side note. It's the core of everything we do. From green factories to energy-efficient robotics, from smart grids to circular automation, we're showcasing how technology can help industries do more while consuming less. Our theme, crafting a resilient and sustainable future through automation. A call to innovate responsibly, to manufacture mindfully, to build a greener tomorrow today. Because progress doesn't have to cost the earth, it can protect it. This Environment Day, join us on a journey where automation meets sustainability. And together, we engineer a better planet. Automation Expo 2025, 11th to 14th August. Bombay Exhibition Center, empowering industries through safe, secure, and sustainable automation.